Have you ever heard of XCAD? It's a groundbreaking platform that uses blockchain technology to reward users for their time and attention. And some users have even made $300 per day by watching YouTube videos with XCAD. XCAD is a decentralized Ethereum blockchain platform that aspires to build a fair and transparent ecosystem for content creators and users. XCAD integrates with YouTube to provide a smooth way for users to earn incentives for watching videos. The plugin is easily accessible from the XCAD webpage. Click the Add to Chrome button to install it. The X icon will now appear in your Chrome browser add-on. In your browser, click the plugin icon. If you are a new user, you must first register. You must now add your wallet, which you can import or create here. The wallet homepage displays the content contributors who are currently active. You can earn their native token by watching their YouTube videos through the plugin. The wallet homepage displays the content contributors who are currently active. You can earn their native token by watching their YouTube videos through the plugin. For earning maximum rewards, you should watch the full video and try to engage with the video by likes and comments. It'll add up to the rewards.